Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D modeling software for architects. I'll be sharing with you the top 5 fastest 3D modeling software options available. Let's get started. 1. SketchUp. This cloud-based software is incredibly fast and user-friendly. It's perfect for beginners and offers a variety of tools for different architectural needs. 2. Rhino. While it may not be the easiest to learn, Rhino is an incredibly powerful tool that can handle any size project you throw at it. 3. Archicad. This comprehensive software is designed specifically for architects and boasts a wide range of features for all your design needs. 4. Revit. As part of the Autodesk suite, Revit seamlessly integrates with other Autodesk programs like AutoCAD, making it a top choice for architects working in large firms. 5. 3D Max. Last but not least, 3D Max is another powerful tool in the Autodesk suite that offers a wide range of features for architectural projects of all sizes.